Foshan Zeren Precision Casting Company Limited, established in 2009, is a trusted provider of investment casting and CNC machining services, located in Foshan, Guangdong, China. With dedicated investment casting and CNC machining facilities, we offer comprehensive, one-stop OEM casting solutions that cater to diverse industry requirements. Our expertise extends across a range of materials including stainless steel, carbon steel, alloy steel, and nickel-based alloys, etc. We work closely with clients to recommend the most suitable materials for specific applications. A key advantage of Foshan Zeren is our use of 3D printing technology for rapid prototyping, which allows us to create high-quality samples efficiently. This approach significantly reduces the time and cost typically required for mold production, enhancing flexibility in sample production and enabling quicker adjustments to designs. Our commitment to quality is demonstrated through our ISO 9001:2015 certification, which governs every aspect of our operations to ensure products meet stringent standards. From raw material selection to final inspection, we uphold rigorous quality controls to deliver precision-engineered components that meet the exacting needs of industries such as automotive, aerospace, and heavy machinery. With over 30 years of industry experience, our team is recognized for our focus on innovation, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Our advanced technology, strict quality standards, and responsive customer service make us a preferred partner for clients worldwide seeking superior casting solutions.